Brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Richard Rabbit comes to play.
Peppa and George are playing in their bedroom.
This will be the best house ever.
George, Richard Rabbit is here.
Georgie! Richard! Dinosaur! Dinosaur!
Bye-bye, Richard. I'll be back to pick you up later. George and Richard are best friends.
George! Richard!
Why we keep doing this?
You've knocked my house down. Please play something not bouncy.
David, I can't believe you! You've been lying this whole time! The garbage trucks, the cake, the bowl! There haven't been any mix-ups at all! You just wanted the party your way again! It's not fair, Lola! It was my turn! Oh, no! Where did my puddle go?
Oh, Squeeks. Although I thoroughly dislike puddles of water, I thoroughly dislike seeing you sad way more! What he said!
Excuse me. What is everyone so sad about around here?
Gone for good! I'm getting through it, but barely.
Come on, game. Come on, game. Come on, game. I quit. R.I.P. Watch out with 3D.
Yeah!
Goodbye. Watch out with 3D.